Today, I'm going to show you how to create an intercom system using your Home Assistant. In my house, we have phones and tablets mounted on the walls everywhere. We have it here, 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 yep, even here in the kitchen. I'm thinking all of these tablets are pretty smart, right? They have microphones, they have speakers. There must be a way to create an intercom system for all of these devices to talk to each other, right? I'm happy to say that there is such a thing to make it work. Sadly, in this video, I can't show you how to make it work because I still can't make it work. So hopefully somebody out there is a lot smarter than me, and hopefully they have time to make a video to show everybody how to do it. If you go to this link, it will show you how to do it with this add-on for Home Assistant. Here you can see that I got it really close to getting it work. This is my user login for the desktop. If I'm able to make it work, then I should easily call the tablet on the first floor or the tablet on the second floor, or if the tablet on the first floor should be able to make the call to the tablet on the second floor, right? But nope, I couldn't get it to work. For now, my simplest solution is just making these buttons, and when you click on it, it plays a chime on the tablet. That way, when my kids hear it, they know how to respond accordingly. Most of the time, I'm tired of yelling out their names from the first floor to the third floor. So when I'm in the kitchen and I just click on call, it plays a loud chime for them to come down. Alright, hopefully this gives you some guidance to getting yours to work. I'm so sorry I couldn't get it to work to show you how to do it. But I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.